Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today I'm going to do a product review of a product that we don't sell at shavenation.com, but I have used this product off and on for a good 10 years. This is a brand new tube that I purchased, and my previous tube, it didn't run empty, but it was about 10 years old, and I thought maybe it was time to get rid of it, so I picked up a new one. This is called Clinique for Men. It's a face bronzer. During the winter, or even during the summer, if you haven't had a chance to get in the sun, get your vitamin D on, well, this will help you a bit. Say you have a function, you just want to look a little bit more healthy. You don't want to be pale and ghostly, or ghastly, either one. Casper the Friendly Ghost being your best friend, not a good sign. If you want to change that up, try this Clinique for Men Face Bronzer. Very simple to use. Only use it, in my opinion, only use it after your face is cleanly shaved, because if you have beardage or whiskers on your face, it's not going to be a good look. And you will not be able to spread this into your whiskers properly to get you looking like you have some sort of face coloring or a tan. All you do, pop the cap, just a little bit in the fingertips. It comes out real dark like that. Almost looks like blood, but it's not. I'll do the left side. You can judge both sides. I'll do one side, just a couple dabs like so, and massage it in. Just even, give yourself a nice even application. Massage that in. Let me go halfway on the mustache area as well. Let's try the forehead too. We'll just do halfway again. So you massage this in until it gets completely absorbed in the skin. I think I went a little heavy on the forehead, so let me wipe some of that off. Just massage it in until you get the darkness, the shade that you want. So now you can see that my left side, it's applied, right side remains untouched. So there is a bit of a difference. I will put a little bit more on the cheeks, just to darken those cheeks up a little bit more. There we go. That's it, nothing to it. You can see, right side, nothing on it. Left side, bronzer applied. I didn't get too close to the eye. I don't want to take a chance of getting it in my eye, so you can just be real careful down below the eye. Probably not a good idea to get this into your eye. Hopefully you can see the difference. Left side with the bronzer applied, right side, no bronzer applied, untouched. What do you think? Yes? No? Leave a comment down below. Something you would use, something you would never use. To remove this, a gentle soap and water, wash, rinse, it comes right off, no problem. I will apply the other side right now, just to even things up. And blend it in with the other side, left and right. Okay, there you go. The entire face has been covered with the Clinique for Men Face Bronzer. So it's a really quick and easy way to make yourself look a little bit more healthy. If you don't have time to lay in the sun for a few hours, this will get the job done quickly. I mean, you could also go to a tanning bed or a tanning spa, which I've never done. I don't trust those things. I wouldn't want to do that to my skin. It is allergy tested and 100% fragrance free. Like I said, we don't stock this at Shave Nation right now. Maybe we will in the future. Clinique, give us a call. We'll be happy to take this on. But you can click right below the video where it says show more, and there will be a link right there. Just click on that link and you can grab it right there. This is a very quick and easy solution to give yourself a quick tan, make yourself look a little bit healthier for whatever upcoming social event you may have, and it will stay on until you wash it off. A little bit of mild soap and water, just rinse and wash it off, and you're good to go. It'll come off real easy. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button down there, and then ring the bell up there. That way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.